Hello everyone. Good Shepherds High School, Belapur. Welcome you all for online learning session. Standard 6th, subject history, unit history of ancient India, subunit chapter 3, topic the Harappan civilization. Through this lesson, we will learn first to compare today's town planning with that of the Harappan period. Second, to understand how systematic and comprehensive the drainage system of the Harappan period was. Third, to learn about the way of life and trade of the Harappan period. Dear students, you must have watched the movie of Hrithik Roshan's Mohenjo-daro. It is based on this chapter only. You better watch it again. 3.1 Harappan civilization, 3.2 housing and town planning, 3.3 seals and pots, 3.4 the Great Bath, 3.5 life in the Harappan civilization, 3.6 trade, 3.7 reasons for decline. So here we will start 3.1 Harappan civilization. Okay children. Archaeological excavation. In the second chapter we have understood the meaning of archaeological. Archaeological means what? Study of materials, remains of past human life. Okay, excavation means digging activity. It began in 1921 CE at Harappa in the Punjab on the banks of the river Ravi. That is how this civilization came to be known as Harappan civilization. And Harappan civilization is also known as Indus civilization. Excavations were also carried out at Mohenjo-daro, a place about 650 km to the south of Harappa in the Indus Valley. There was a striking resemblance between the remains of structures and artifacts found at the two places. Striking resemblance means साम्य दिसत होतं, सारखेपणा, look similar in some other way. Wherever they used to go in a vast area, the things used to be similar. That is called striking resemblance between the remains of structure and artifacts found at the two places. They were same. Similar remains have been found at Dholavira, Lothal, Kalimangan, Daimabad, etc. See, these the places are there. Kalibangan, Dholavira, see, Lothal. This on the map you will be able to see very clearly. Okay children. Next, generally the same characteristics are seen in all the places of Harappan civilization. These includes town planning, roads, construction of houses, drainage system, seals, pots and toys and burial customs. Everything's whatever the things are included were same in all the places of Harappan civilization. The towns were divided into two or more sections, and each section had separate fortification. Fortification means what children? Walls or towers built specially in the past to protect a place against attack. Let me repeat it again. Fortification means walls, towers, etc. built specially in the past to protect a place against attack. Okay, children. Now, 3.2, housing and town planning. How was housing and town planning in Harappan civilization? The houses and other structures in Harappan civilization were mainly built with baked bricks. Eat. In some places, unbaked bricks and stones were also used for construction. The houses had rooms built around a central courtyard. You watch that movie, children, you will get a clear picture. Mohenjo-daro. The house had wells, bathrooms, and toilets. There was an excellent drainage system in which baked earthen conduits were used. The picture I can't show now. Yes, like this. These are the drainage system here. Got it, children? Like this. The streets had covered drains built with bricks. This shows great concern regarding public health. See, as Mumbai side, if you will see, children, all open gutters. But nowadays, as per the government has changed, they are looking after the public hygiene also. Previously, it was not like that. During rains, floods, all that gutters is to overflow. People used to get sick there. The streets were broad and laid out in a grid pattern. Houses were built in rectangular blocks created by them. The towns were divided into two or sorry. Yes, this paragraph I read before only. Okay. So this was the housing and town planning, children. Okay. Now, seals and pots. The seals of the Harappan civilizations were mainly square shaped and made from a stone called statite. These seals bear picture of animals. See this. They include pictures of real animals like bulls, buffaloes, oxen, elephants, rhino, tigers, etc. and also of imaginary ones like the unicorn. Human figures are also seen. These seals were used as stamps. Earthen pots of various types and shapes have been found at the excavation. Let me repeat it again. Excavation means digging, a site being studied. That is called excavation. Okay, children. Excavation sites of Harappan civilization. There are red terracotta pots with patterns and designs in black color. The patterns include fish scales, interlocking circles, people leaves, etc. That kind of patterns were there. The Harappan people buried their dead. They used to bury earthen pots with the bodies. These are the earthenwares. See this. This is the great bath of Mohenjo-daro. Okay, children. Now, 3.4. The Great Bath. A spacious bath has been discovered at Mohenjo-daro. The tank in the Great Bath was nearly 2.5 meters deep. Children, question can come, explain the Great Bath. So all this thing you have to write it down. The tank in the Great Bath was nearly 2.5 meters deep. It was 12 meters long and 7 meters wide. It was lined with baked bricks to prevent seepage of water. Seepage means leakage of water. There were steps leading down to the tank. Okay. There was also a provision for drainage, cleaning, and refilling the tank from time to time. Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro. Now, 3.5. Life in the Harappa civilization. How they used to live. The Harappan civilization practiced agriculture. There was the farming main occupation. The excavation at Kalibangan provides evidence of a ploughed field. So, the ploughed field, so there must be remainings of plough, correct, bulls and all. The people there grew different crops, mainly wheat and barley. In Rajasthan, barley was grown on a large scale, while in Gujarat it was ragi. Peas, sesame, and lentils means masoor, were also cultivated. The Harappan people were also familiar with cotton. So these all crops were available during Harappan civilization. Statues, the pictures on the seals, and the remains of cloth found in the excavation, what it indicates that the Harappan people used to view cloth, because they found cloth also in the excavation. The dress of both men and women consisted of knee length cloth and upper garment. Ornaments in Harappan civilization. See, many types of ornaments have been found in excavation. See the ornaments. They are made of gold, copper, precious stones, as also shells, cowries, seeds, etc. So these are all ornaments made up of shells and all. Men and women both used multi-stranded necklace like this. These are called multi-stranded necklaces. Rings, armlets, and waistbands. Women wore bangles right up to their upper arm. You will see this kind of costumes and different types of ornaments in Rajasthan. Now also people, those who are Adivasis, they wear. A statue found at a Harappan site presents an excellent specimen of their art. On Harappan site, they found statue. So it was a proof that it was an excellent artwork they have founded. Means that time art was also given importance. It shows the man's facial features very clearly. A clock with a beautiful trefoil pattern is covered across his shoulder. See this. Got it? A specimen of Harappan art. They found this kind of idols and all, no? So they excavation people came to know that they were very excellent, good artist. Next, what kind of a trade was there? 3.6 trade. The Harappan people carried on trade within India as well as with countries outside. The Indus Valley was known for its high quality cotton, because in Indus Valley sorry they used to grow high quality of cotton, because valley was there, no? This cotton was exported to other regions like West Asia, Southern Europe, and Egypt. Cotton cloth too was exported. The traders of the Harappan civilization provided muslin cloth to Egypt. Silver, zinc, gemstones, rubies, deodar wood were some of the items that were imported from Kashmir, South India, Iran, Afghanistan, and Balochistan. So, children, what they used to export and what they used to import, you understood, no? Yes. Trade was carried on both by land routes and sea routes. Some of the excavated seals bear pictures of ships. So the seals were having pictures of ships. A huge dockyard has been discovered at Lothal. So Lothal was a like dock area it was. The trade of the Harappan civilization was carried on along the coastline of the Arabian Sea. Okay, children? Oh, ho, ho, ho. See, an artist's visualization of the dockyard at Lothal. See how dockyard is there in Mumbai? Same way that, but it was found in at Lothal. Okay, reconstructed with the help of the remains. See, so nice it was. Now 3.7, the reasons for decline of the Harappan civilization. Now so many things we saw, it should be flourished, no? The Harappan civilization was on a great demand, but what was the reason for decline of the Harappan civilization? Why it fall down? Decline means कम होते जाना. Frequent floods, invasion मतलब आक्रमण करना by foreign tribes, decline in trade were some of the reasons for the decline of the Harappan civilization. Some regions became arid due to weakening of monsoon. There was no monsoon there. Drying up of river basins, earthquakes, changes in sea level, etc. What people will do then? People will migrate. People migrated to other places, leading to the decline of cities. Then people, if the people are migrating, what is the reason behind it? So many reasons are there. See, weakening of monsoon means monsoon was not there, and because of no monsoon, no rains, the river was drying up. Then earthquake, then changes in sea level, many things, natural calamities they have to face. So because of that reason, people migrated to other places, leading to the decline of cities. The Harappan civilization was a prosperous and flourishing urban civilization. It was very famous also. It laid the foundation of the Indian civilization. So children, read this lesson again and again, twice, and watch that movie Mohenjo-daro. You will get a clear picture. Got it? Now we'll come on the exercise. Answer in one sentence. How did the civilization get the name Harappa? Yes, children. How did the civilization get the name Harappa? Answer, write it down. The civilization was discovered during an archaeological excavation in 1921 CE at Harappa in Punjab, which gave it its name Harappa civilization. Let me repeat it again. The civilization was discovered during an archaeological excavation in 1921 CE at Harappa in Punjab, which gave it its name Harappa civilization. Second question. What patterns are seen on the Harappan pots? Answer. Harappan pots are made of red terracotta and have beautiful designs and patterns on them, such as fish scales, interlocking circles, people leaves, and so on. Question number 3. What cloth did the Harappan traders supply to Egypt? The Harappan traders supplied muslin cloth to Egypt. Okay, children. What will you do when you visit an ancient site to obtain more information about it, to conserve it, etc.? So this is a personal type question, children. In class, I want you all to discuss with this, and you have to write it down. Then draw a picture of the Great Bath at Mohenjo-daro. You have to draw a picture. Next, in the following chart, fill in the details regarding human life during the Harappan period. Major crops, cloths, ornaments. First, wheat. Cloths, knee-length cloth. Ornaments, multi-strand necklaces. Now second, barley. Clothes, upper garments. Ornaments, rings, bangles. Third, peas. Clothes, clocks. Ornaments, armlets. Fourth, lentils, masoor. I think cloth they have mentioned only 3 types, and ornaments 4 types. Multi-strand necklaces. Second is ring bangles. Third, armlets. Fourth, waistbands. Okay, children. Now, question number 5. Answer in one word and frame similar questions. Write their answers. What stone was used to make the Harappan seals? What stone? Steatite. 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 Likewise, more questions we have to make. Second question, write it down. What was the shape of Harappan seals? What was the shape of Harappan seals? Answer, square shape. Third question we will frame. What occupation did the Harappan people follow? Answer, agriculture. Next question. Name one animal whose picture was found on Harappan seals. Name one animal whose picture was found on Harappan seals. Answer, bull. Okay. Now, question number 6. On an outline map of the world, show the other civilizations that existed in other parts of the world during Harappan period. Children, you can buy map from outside, and what are they asking? That show other civilization, like how Harappan civilization is there, same way other civilization that existed in other parts of the world during Harappan period. So I will suggest you all Sutkagan door in Pakistan, Sutkardan Dor in Pakistan, and Shortugai in Afghanistan. These were also the civilizations which found in Pakistan and Afghanistan. Okay, children. So it was very short lesson and very interesting. Children, you can watch Mohenjo-daro movie. Don't see the dialogues and all, only see the scene they have shot in that movie. They have shown all the seals and pots and the great bath and everything. So better watch that movie, children. You will get a clear picture of this lesson. Okay. Okay, so here we finish our lesson. Thank you.